welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. It is the end of November. We are in Zone 8B in the Pacific Northwest, and I'm going to take you out to see my garden. One thing I will mention is we have not had our first hard frost yet, which is really unusual for my little area and especially my microclimate. 2 years ago on this day we had multiple inches of snow on the ground, so this has definitely been a warmer and wetter winter. Let's go out and see what she looks like. As usual, here we are in the greenhouse. There were jalapenos in here. They've all been harvested. These plants are going to come out, and I'm going to plant lettuce in here. We've got it all buttoned up, and it'll stay pretty warm in here, and the lettuce grows nicely all winter long. Over here we have the space where the 2 plum trees were completely mutilated by the bucks, and my friend Amanda, thanks Amanda, brought me 2 new apple trees. And to protect the very fragile bark of these trees, I just zip tied on some chicken wire, and it'll protect them through the rutting season to make sure that the bucks do not use them for their devices any longer. And same thing over here. And here we are entering the main garden. Not a whole lot going on, but I thought you might like to see what it looks like in the winter time. Over here we have lots of herbs still growing strong. We've got some parsley here, which I'm excited about because I'm going to be making a cornbread stuffing this weekend, and I love fresh parsley in there. I did end up harvesting some of the rosemary finally, made a tincture, and dried some as well. This has not been repaired, but it is on the list. We have winterized the garden. As you can see, my hose is still kind of hanging out, but all of the irrigation lines have been blown out. Here are the grapes, or what's left of them. These catawbas, kind of, like, they're not even totally ripe, so I'm just gonna leave these to the birds and other little critters that get in here. They'll appreciate having a little winter snack. Even though the beds have been, the boards have been replaced in the beds, there is a ton of work out here to make these ready to plant in next year. Lots of weeding. I'll have to do some amending as well. I know that looks pretty gross. This is what the rhubarb bed always looks like, and that's wonderful composted material there. I'll scoop it up and put it in the bed. My garlic is back there hiding in those pots. I need to add dirt, soil, and compost to this and plant something in there too. It's comfrey. All of this has to be pulled, good organic material. Come January, all of this will be pulled out. So I'm not doing any major pulling of anything other than weeds for the entire year of 2024. But come January, as soon as the soil is workable, I will be out here digging up everything. We're going to be planting a whole lot of potatoes next year, lots of vegetables. This bed is just all weeds. This whole bed needs to be amended. I'm going to be pulling the rhubarb out and adding soil. I imagine this is why it didn't do very good. Look how low all that soil's just been used up. So just a quick walkthrough today. Not really a whole lot to show, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's pop down the center. Really, just weeds, lots and lots of them. Some herbs growing. We get standing water this time of year in the garden too. We have a lot of beautiful thyme down here. It's really beautiful. It's happy German winter thyme. Okay, I'll give you a quick overview and then I'll take you up to my grow room and show you the lettuce that I have going. Here is my lettuce and it's beautiful. I'm excited to have tender greens all through the winter. These are eventually going to go out into the greenhouse. And this is my grow space here. I will link up a video for you if you are also planning on building a DIY grow area in your space. I start my seeds for the springtime in February, so now is the time to check out that video and get all of the supplies that you need for this type of setup. And that is my November garden. I have so much work to do. Like, my mind is just like, I'm already wishing I could go out there and clean it up now, but I made a commitment to the land and to the Lord to just leave it alone for the whole 12 months. And I am going to do that. But come January, I am pulling everything out of there. It is going to be stunning. It is going to be gorgeous. We are going to plant all kinds of things next year, and I'm going to take you along for the ride. Make sure you stay tuned to my channel. Upcoming, I have pickled jalapenos. We're going to can some pickled jalapenos, and they are the best. I put them in everything, and I think you're going to enjoy that. If you would like to support me, please consider becoming a member. It is super cheap, you guys. Cheaper than any of the podcasts and other things like that that you're probably listening to right now. And if you want something tangible to hold in your hand for supporting me, please go down to my Etsy shop. I have a huge 25% off sale, still have free shipping on 99% of my items. Check that out. That sale is going to be going on for a couple more weeks, and just reach out to me if you have any questions, if there's something you want me to share, something you want me to make. I am here for you. We are a community and we are doing this journey together. And that's it for today. I will be seeing you soon. Bye!